Hello, I'm Brian with Koenig Equipment. Today I want to talk to you about the Warrior package, the 1025R compact utility tractor. One of the great features of this package is the 120R removable front loader with 53-inch bucket, lifting capacity over 800 pounds. The Warrior package includes a Frontier 48-inch box blade. Here we have the BB2048L, which has 4 adjustable cutting shanks that you can hold all the way up out of the way, or you can control the depth and how deep you want to break up your compacted medium, whether that's gravel driveway or soil. We have a cutting edge on the inside to pull material, and we can also use the cutting edge on the back to push material. The John Deere Warrior package is a 1025R diesel 24 horsepower tractor, 4-wheel drive with mid-PTO. If you are a property owner that, say over an acre or two, you have a long gravel driveway, you have some woods that needs to be maintained, some projects around outbuildings that you want to maintain and take care of, this would be a perfect tractor for you. If you like what you've seen today and the tractor package appeals to you, please check out our website at koenigequipment.com for other tractor packages.